Hello everyone, myself Nandan Hiramat from AML Department, GM University. I am going to explain my assignment one of course software engineer practices with agile methodology. My assignment is analyze the role of product owner in agile AI/ML projects, guided by Sir Praveen Sir, Assistant Professor AML Department, GM University, Davangere. And I'm going to introduce Agile plus AI ML project requires flexibility and data driven decision making. The product owner PO bridges business, data science, and technology. PO ensures AI models delivery measures and ethical business value. This means introduction we have here the PO ensures AI model delivery measures and ethical business values. And the next slide, we have the role of product owner. What are the roles here? Defining, translate, managers, and ensures. This defines the roles. Here we have defining AI, ML, product visionary, and stationary. Translate business needs into data and model objectives, and manages AI product blockage like data task, model trainings, evaluation, and deployment, and ensuring alignment between business goals and model outputs. And in the next slide, we have the key responsibilities. What are the key responsibilities? Vision and strategies, backlog management, stakeholder collaborations, value maximization, ethical oversight. These are the key responsibilities. Let me explain one by one. Vision and strategy. Set clear goals and values matrix. We must have any for anything. We must have the goals and the matrices. And in second, blockage management. Prioritize ML tasks and experiments. Stakeholders collaboration. Communication model insight effectively. Whatever may be for every model, we must have the communication to development, the planning, and the value maximization. Focus on business impact. We must have the business to do some things. And the ethical oversight. Ensure fairness, transparency, and compliances. In the next slide, we have the product owner in the AI/ML life cycle. What are the product stages and the PO involvement? Data collection, model development, testing and validation, deployment and monitoring. These are the stages. By first stage, we have the data collection defines data needs and quality matrices. In the model development, align experiments with business goals. Testing and validation, we have the approve model based on business KPIs. Deployment, we have the prioritizing features for release. Monitoring is to ensure model performance and feedback loops. And the skill required, what are the skills we are required for the model development? We have the strong AI ML awareness, what where we use the AI ML models, and analytic thinking and data interpretation. This is the main thing. We have that analytic thinking and the data interpretation, where the data must be used and what the data must be used must be known. And the communication and leadership, this is the main role where we have communication skill to develop the model and what are the advantages and disadvantages, and mainly and the leadership quality we need. And the agile expertise, scrum and kanban, these are the methods that used in the agile expertise. Ethical and strategy decision making, these are the skills required. And the challenges faced by the product owners, what are the challenges? Data uncertainty, model explainability, changing priorities, ethical risks. And what are the example risks like incomplete data, black box, shifting business goals, bias and fairness. PO strategy, data validation checkpoints, use interpretive models, iterative updates, regular audits and reviews. In the what are the case example project fraud detection system like banking, I am using an example like the fraud detection system in banking. Defining business KPI, reduce false positive by 10%, balanced accuracy with operational cost. Collaborated with compliance team of ethical AI use, delivered increment improvements through sprints. And I'm going with the conclusion with the last part. Here I am going to say that PO ensure business driven ethical AI innovations, like which used to business driven ethical AI innovations, and balance technical depth with strategical foresight, and the drive collaboration, adaptability, and accountability. And the key success factor, translating AI complexity into business value. These are the conclusions where we need to study about the driven collaboration, adaptability, and accountability, and the key success factor, translating AI complexity into business value. Thank you and all.